Okay, I know, Jeff, how is that
Yeah,
going?
it's tough. It's such a saturated,
Yeah,
that's a bad word for water, but it is
yeah.
saturated. There's so many people in it.
You know what you should do, Jeff? Do your research on water damage, put up a mass page website, use AI, right? But not water damage, go in a sub niche of water damage. I don't know that niche, but literally, you can literally go and do your research, right? Let me do that right now if you want to. Okay. Let's just say I would go water damage restoration. Let's go for a big city like Los Angeles, right? Why am I going for a big city? I want to open up these guys, okay, and I want to see, come on, what's happening? I want to see what kind of services, like do your due diligence, go deep is what I'm saying. Okay. Services, you want to go deep. Okay. Look at that. Don't just say water damage, go within that. Emergency restoration, fire damage, storm, sewage cleanup. This could be easier, maybe, or mold removal could be easier than water damage. Now, I don't know if Jeff's customer takes mold removal, but related to it, sewage cleanup.
Yeah, mold is actually like a different version of water damage. Most water damage companies will pay for water and fire, sewage, things like that. They don't like mold, and mold is also a lot cheaper. Like
Okay.
they'll pay hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for the phone calls, but if it's mold, it's like 60 to $90 kind of thing. Which is still
Okay.
not bad. It's just it's not the
So
same value.
So let's say Alex, right, as an example, he's in the mastermind. He's in New Zealand, right? He wants to send calls to Jeff because now it's easy for Alex to partner with Jeff and say, Jeff, I'm going to put up a website on a sub niche of water damage, and I'm going to send the calls to you. You take care of the calls. You do deal with the client. Give me a percentage, and you deal with him. I would just go water damage restoration, right? You can do just the whole of USA maybe, right? And do a search, keyword research, go in depth and find other keywords, right? 839 keywords. Like, okay, here we go. Flood cleaning. Okay. Is that something? Water mitigation. Does that make sense? Like, you don't want to just go like what everybody else is doing. Water damage. Yes, it's saturated. Everybody, every SEO guy knows water damage pays big money and they are in that, right? Go water removal. Maybe they search for, okay, there's enough search volume for water removal, water cleanup, flood basement cleanup. Look at that, right? Put up an exact match domain, put the biggest cities as, and just do like just the process that Alex followed, right? We'll go into keyword research and all that. But that's what you want to do. As a matter of fact, that's what you should do. Sewage cleanup in basement or something like that. Okay, mitigation, water mitigation, home water damage repair. Literally, you can do that and put it out and get calls. Okay, so let's just say, right, I'm going to go after home water damage repair. There's 100 to 1,000 water damage restoration service. Okay, there's a lot of searches over here. Mitigation company, remediation, right? Find some of these. I don't know. Okay, literally, or you can go into maybe instead of the whole US, go pick one of the biggest cities, Los Angeles, let's just say, right? And for each of the big city, then you do your research. Okay, so let's just go over here, right? I don't want to go water damage, but maybe water damage repair, water restoration companies. Okay, this is 100 to 1,000. I would just do your research is what I'm saying. I'm going to sort this. Okay, let's sort this, right? Water restoration, water damage. We stay out of water damage. Water restoration companies, flood restoration, right? Use AI, use Chat GPT and find out what are the most flood prone areas in the US, right? Find that out. You can literally go to Chat GPT. I'm not going to Chat GPT right now, but flood prone
I can
areas,
tell you it's Florida, Louisiana,
Florida.
Texas.
Okay. What's the largest
Because
city
any place that has the storms, like LA is actually not great, although they pay well there. The number
Okay,
one city, and
fine.
I don't know
Perfect.
why, is Phoenix. Phoenix is crazy. That they'll pay. Some people get paid $1,500 a phone call.
In Phoenix.
Yeah.
Okay, Phoenix is a big city. What's the population of Phoenix? I thought, yeah, there we go, 1.6, right? Literally, what was the keyword we saw? You can do your research for flood restoration, right? I won't be surprised if I go to Namecheap and I find an exact match domain for flood restoration phoenix.com. Okay, maybe it's taken, water damage will probably be taken. This could be there. There you go. See that? Take this, build it out, right? Or you buy floodrestorationcompanies.com or flood restoration of USA.com, put a /Phoenix / every city over here. Where's that? Right? And okay, if you do the math, right? Okay, this is our notes from yesterday, right? You do the math. 50 states, okay? Let's say you only want to find the biggest 50 cities. Don't worry about GMBs and reviews and all that, right? You said 1,500 a call in some cities, Jeff? I think you're muted.
Yeah, like Phoenix can be that high. Phoenix is
Okay.
strangely like one of the #1 cities to go after.
Let's
I
just
don't know
say
why.
let's just say 300 is on average, right? Some are 1,500, some are 100, I don't know, right? You're putting up 50 cities. You could put one domain and 50 city pages. If I were you, I would buy, here's what I would do. If I were whoever who wants to partner with Jeff or Jeff himself, right? I would buy this domain, Phoenix, right? 12 bucks, 11 bucks, whatever, right? Okay, I would spend 11 bucks. Okay, I would use AI and my own brain to do all the research and put up like 100 to 200 pages of content, service pages, suburb pages. People also ask all of that, literally. Okay, and if you're only getting one call a month, let's say you're only getting one call every 2 months from these 50 cities, right? You're getting 25 calls a month. Forget that. You're only getting 15 calls a month times 300 average. What is that? Do the math. 4,500 a month. What is your cost? 11 bucks times 50, 500 bucks, 550 bucks. AI and is doing write your content. Find a web developer for 500 bucks. You can break even and make profits month 1, month 2 is what I'm saying. Does that make sense? Right? And I'm just talking about water damage restoration, but there are other niches like I just showed you, like this SR22, this guy here. This pays like $45 a call, I think. Depends on the PPL, right? Go to something like OfferVault, right? You can literally find different, look at that, $2, $3, $100. You can find so many and just put a nationwide and start sending. Okay, that's what I'm saying. PEX piping install. I have no idea what that is, but chances are high, right? In any big city, this is .com is available. Haha. See that? Put a nationwide exclusive 54 bucks. You get what I'm saying, guys. Does that make sense? That is what I mean by the riches are in the niches. Don't just go for water damage, right? Yeah, it makes a lot of money. Drill down to do a sub niche. That's all I'm saying you want to do. As part of the mastermind, we are doing a case study where we are zeroing in on a niche, right? And then step by step doing the keyword research, the content, the website structure, on page, off page, and finding a contractor, renting it out, and making money. We started that last week. And literally last week, one member in a mastermind, his name is Manish, he comes and he shares how in 2 years in the mastermind, he learned SEO and he put up a website in a 20,000 population city, the smallest city he can find, his hometown. And it's a cleaning website. And instead of renting it out or sending, paying for leads, I mean, selling the leads, he just started taking the calls and subcontracting it to a cleaning company. And he said $20,000 a month. That's how crazy it is. So we're going to be going like a step by step. We're doing 2 case studies now, okay? All live over the shoulder in the mastermind. One is starting a cleaning company in a 20,000 population, and he's going to help us, Manish, right? Step by step. So anybody can do that. And two, we're going to zero in on a niche and just go step by step. Literally, before this call, God's honest truth, before this call, I was talking to a contractor in upstate New York, talking about the same thing. Okay, he's been paying Angie Leads $1,100 a month. He's paying, and I told him, if you can pay me the same $1,100 a month, but I send you exclusive calls, would that be something? He's like, absolutely. Send me like a proposal. Is what he said. I have to educate him. There's a whole process there, but that's what we are sitting on, is what I'm saying. Make sense?